Okay, and then we have this one here. It says draw a sketch of this graph where a is less than 0, b is less than 0, and c is less than 0. And the equation ax squared plus bx plus c has no solutions. As soon as we see that, we know it's just not going to cross the x-axis. Okay, if it had one solution, it would touch it. Two solutions, it would cross it twice. So what do each of these numbers tell us? Well, the A tells us basically is our graph going to be like a frown or like a cup. I always say up like a cup or down like a frown. So if A is negative, that is going to give us a frowning graph. If A is positive, the leading coefficient is greater than 0. That's going to give us a smiling or a cup graph. So we know ours is going to look like this. A is negative, it's going to frown. Now, what can we do with B? B is going to help us determine where the graph is, the location of the graph, okay, horizontally speaking. I know the x coordinate of my vertex is equal to negative b over 2a. Okay. Well, here it says b is negative. B is less than 0. So negative b, if I do a negative number that's also less than 0, that's going to result in a positive number. Let's say b is negative 4, negative 4 would become positive 4. So this means there's going to be a positive number in the top over 2 times another negative number. So there's going to be a negative number in the bottom. So this means the result is going to give me some negative x value. So that means that my graph is going to be shifted to the left. All right, since b and a are both less than 0, when I plug them into this equation, those negatives kind of cross each other out, and I'm left with just a negative result because of this remaining negative. So it's somewhere to the left of the origin. And then C tells us the y-intercept. So C is less than 0. So it's opening down somewhere to the left of the origin. The y-intercept is negative, and it does not touch the x-axis. So anything like that would work. Okay, just as long as it's below the x-axis, opening down, vertex is to the left of the origin, you should be good to go.